All right. So this part right here, I'm going to find the base of this. Anybody know what this is called? That thing you're drawing? Anvil. And I'm kind of sneaking it right behind this guy here. So there's the width of this, the length of it, and then the overall height of this part. Okay, so it's a little bit cantilevered over the edge here. Again, to find the center, what do you do of a rectangle? Across the diagonals, that helps you establish the segment that comes out. Okay, this also has a rectangular shape. This goes back. There's a rectangle. This has a little lip to it. And once you establish that, you can see the curved pieces of this. Makes it a little easier. Steps it right there. And hopefully you can see how this is indented in there. Curves, comes around. And this also has a curve because it's coming right in the foreground here. I'm just superimposing one object over the other. So it's just trying to get you to hang in there. Now this front piece has a circular part, so if I cross the diagonals, and if I go ahead and give it the center plus sign, approximating a third on each diagonal from the center to the corner, 1, 2, 3, is building up this shape that helps me locate and project this circular piece on there. Now the center moves up. I just extend this out and find the distance that it's going to be. I could do the same thing, start off with a rectangle square, fill it with a circle, and then just a matter of connecting a couple points to build that section up. Now once I have that, it's pretty much almost finished. Just have to heavy up these parts that I want to incorporate and keep. It's got a little lettering on the side I can squeeze into there. Tapers off here. Okay, and now, like I said, comes in just with the piece. If you initially find the outline of the object, you can always lose it with the shading and the shadows, but it really builds this part up. Here's the thickness of it. And there you have it. So for the most part, there it is. And then again, whether I use the straight edge or just follow this cone shadow, so that's the piece. This is a rectangular part. I'll leave a little bit of spacing for some lettering. And the overall value, this is pretty dark, so I can pretty much shade it in. Since I have overlapped from my previous sketch, I'm just going to draw right behind it and come over on this side. So I've kind of put it as a tangent right on the edge of that cart just to see what it'll look like here and build that section up. So there you have just the beginning layout